Let's talk about being accused of stealing. In physical, like materialistic world, in energy also, in spiritual, you can vibe, you can, the instinct itself, or the guts vibe something that in the air, someone is accusing you to be actually a thief. And you can actually experience that to everyone. And as long and you know yourself, you are not a thief, but there's a big at that part that accusing you, at that gut, at that instinct, at that energy, and anything that you can feel, it's very strong accusing you stealing. Because if you are walking with the truth, you are walking with the light, you're walking with the path of truth, and you are recognizing what's wrong and what's right, then you are controlling yourself with that wrong part. Who's accusing you, right? And it is using the people itself, the experience, a situation. That's why someone is accusing you. The evil or the dark side is accusing you in stealing the limelight for itself. Common sense, right? As long as you know yourself that you are not, fight for that, because from the technique that the dark side is using to be against you, not to be continue in the light path or purpose with God, one of that is accusing you to be a thief, stealing the limelight. One of the technique to destroy you, to remove you from the high vibration or frequency that you are revolving. Remember, as long as you know yourself, what you are doing, because we are not perfect, there are instances that our decisions are unwise. We will make a sin because we are a person. As it says, human being is not perfect. As long as you have that acceptance, reflection, and repentance. Adding God in your life, recognizing what's wrong and right. You know how to use the control, understanding, patient, etc. And recognizing yourself from emotional knowledge and identity knowledge. That energy or that vibe that you are vibing is still strong. That you are a thief. It is very strong actually. Again, it's a part also for you to be strong and prove your power, the power of God through you, I can see. The power of light through you. And the power of moving on, not recognizing that vibe of someone is accusing you. There would be an instant that you will instinctively vibe it. But most of the time, you won't care. Because the energy of moving on is very strong already in you. You already got that emotional and identity knowledge within you. It's very strong. And no one can dim it. There would be an instant that you will be tired, feeling down. But most of the time, you will get back yourself again from that moving on energy. Don't let that dark side eat you alive and eaten by the negative energy that you are vibing to be like the others. It is being already eaten alive and already experiencing hell while living. Then actually it's not too late when you are still living, right? To remove yourself from the experience of that negative or hell experience. Then it's too late if you already are gone in this earth. Then experience again after that hell. You know what I mean? That lake of fire. Excuse me. Good luck to us. Don't let that dark side eat you alive again. God bless. We can do this one. It feels like easy. Some feels like easy. Some feels like hard. Some feels like awkward or doubting, fear. But as long as let's start with ourselves, healing ourselves from the pains and traumas and fixing our relationship with God, then soon. Because we really needed God in our life. It's a big proof or evidence in every situation of a person. If you get the testimony of one person, if you ask them, are they adding God in their life or not, you will see the proof in every person's life, testimonial life, that we really needed Him in our life. Try to make a person have a story of its own, if how its life without God or with God. Every person. Then you have to revolve with observant, vigilant, and comparing also. Every situation, we have to do those kinds of like comparing also. To recognize, to be recognized and realized, to be realized. Then the result is there, right? Sometimes compare is used in the wrong way, like complaining. That's why it's like, is it right to use that comparing on something? Because they always say that it's not good to always compare because of common sense. Complaining. That's a negative part of comparing, the complaining, the situation. So good luck to us and God bless.